Hey, did you know someone could be messing with your mind right now and you wouldn't even notice? Let's talk about 5 dark psychology facts that are gonna mess with your head a little. Alright, number 1. People trust confidence more than the actual truth. Seriously, if you say something with enough certainty, most people will just go with it. They won't fact-check, they won't question it, they'll just assume you must know what you're talking about. And that's why so many manipulative people get ahead. They don't need to be right, they just need to sound right. Fake gurus, toxic leaders, even narcissists use this all the time. Confidence is like a shortcut straight into someone's trust. Number 2. Guilt can be used like a remote control for your emotions. People who want to manipulate you don't always yell or threaten, they just make you feel bad. They'll say stuff like, "After all I've done for you," or "You're really gonna do this to me." It's sneaky because it sounds emotional, even loving, but it's not. It's actually pressure disguised as care. If someone constantly makes you feel guilty for doing what's right for you, that's not love, that's control. Number 3. Emotions are straight up contagious. Your brain mirrors what it sees. If someone near you is super stressed, you'll start to feel tense, even if nothing's wrong. This is why toxic people can ruin your whole vibe just by being around you. Manipulators know this. They'll purposely act upset or super emotional just to shift your energy and get a reaction. You think you're just being empathetic, but really you're being steered. Alright, number 4. This one's powerful. Silence makes people uncomfortable. Like seriously uncomfortable. And when humans get uncomfortable, they talk. They overshare. They try to fill the gap. That's why skilled manipulators and even interrogators just stay quiet. They let you keep talking until you say something you didn't plan to. Try it sometime. Ask someone a hard question and then say nothing. The silence will do the work for you. And finally, number 5. Your brain doesn't always know the difference between real and imagined experiences. That's why you can watch a horror movie and feel your heart race, even though you know it's fake. It's why imagining failure can make you anxious in real life. Now think about this, if someone makes you picture something terrible, something emotional, something stressful, your brain starts reacting as if it's real. That's how fear-based manipulation works. It doesn't have to happen, it just has to feel like it could. So yeah, your brain is powerful, but it's also kinda easy to mess with. Want to learn more dark psychology tricks? Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll show you the stuff most people never even notice.